Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. Today we're gonna create this awesome paracord bracelet designed by Slayer Paracord, so go ahead and check him on the Instagram, Slayer Paracord. And the 4-strand bracelet core for this project, the full tutorial you can find in the top right corner of this video in the information card, so go ahead and click on the info cards. Also, you can find the tutorial how to create this awesome paracord bracelet, the green berets, and in the description down below you can find the length of a paracord we are using, this mix of blue and black, and the blue paracord 550 and the lake blue paracord 550 also. So that being said, let's start with today's project. As you can see here, I insert the blue paracord into this bracelet core, and now we're gonna insert also the lake blue paracord into the bracelet core. So here from this end I'm gonna enter the center cow hitch, as you can see here. Now from the top through, and pull, and now from the back also through the middle cow's hitch. Now make sure that you find the center of this lake blue paracord. You can do so by taking the ends of paracord and pull them evenly. Okay, we have the center of it now. So the lake blue will be the accent and the working ends, and this blue and black will be the bracelet core. Now we're gonna start. We're gonna take the left bracelet core strand and we're gonna make it under, so from the back and then through the middle, the gap between second and the third bracelet core. And now with the right strand we're gonna do the same, from the back through and to the side, like so. From here we're gonna take the blue paracord and we're gonna insert it from the top into the gap between first and the second bracelet core strand from the left, and we're gonna pull it and make it through the loop on the left side, like so. Now we're gonna take the lake blue and we're gonna also insert it into the middle in the gap between second and the third paracord bracelet core, and then from the back side into the gap between first and the second core strand, and pull. Now from here we're gonna take also the lake blue and we're gonna enter it into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side, and then from the back side we're gonna enter into the middle in the gap between second and the third paracord bracelet core. And now from here we're gonna take this sky blue, or sorry, blue, and we're gonna insert it here, and then from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand. Now we're gonna pull it, secure it, and we're gonna continue. So from the back into the middle and to the side, and with this one from the back into the middle and to the side, and we're going to repeat the process. So blue here, around, and from the back into the gap between first and the second bracelet core strand. Now the leg blue into the gap between first and the second bracelet core strand from the right side, and then from the back side through the middle. The next leg blue into the gap between third and the fourth, and then from the back in the gap between first and the second bracelet core strand from the left, and here with the blue in the gap between first and the second core strand from the left, around, and from the back through the loop on the left side. Now pull it to make it tight. So as you can see, we reached the end of today's project. Now we're gonna finish it. So here I'm gonna take the ends and I'm gonna insert this blue into the first cow's hitch here in the gap between first and the second core strand. So like this in here, and with this leg blue I'm gonna take it and also insert it in this gap between first and the second core from the core strand from the left side, like so. And with this right strand leg blue I'm gonna insert it into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side. And with the blue also into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side, and pull it. Now we're gonna remove it from the jig, cut off the excess of a cord, So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, give a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. That way you're gonna help this channel to grow and make more tutorials like this one. Also hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. That being said, I wish you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.